In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method on Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to update your billing information due to a recent card replacement, or simply switching from one payment method to another for convenience's sake, I'm here to help make the process as smooth and straightforward as possible. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp's website. Once there, log into your account using your usual credentials. If you're having any trouble logging in, double check that your caps lock is not on and that you're typing your password correctly. Keeping your login information secure is essential, so be mindful of where and how you enter it. Now that you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Account and Billing. It's the gateway to all things related to your Mailchimp billing preferences. Once you're in the Account and Billing section, navigate to the Billing section within it. Mailchimp has designed it to be intuitive, so you should find everything you need without any hassle. In this area, look for billing information and click on it. Here you will find the details about your current billing setup. To make changes, you'll need to click the Edit button. This is your ticket to modifying your payment information, so don't hesitate if you see something that needs updating. After clicking Edit, you'll find yourself at the step where you can choose your preferred payment method. Mailchimp offers a variety of options such as credit card or PayPal, so simply choose the one that suits you best. Once you've chosen your preferred payment method, it's time to enter the necessary details associated with it. Be meticulous here, ensure all numbers and spellings are accurate to avoid any disruptions in your service. This might include details like your card number, expiration date, CVV, or any login credentials required for PayPal, for example. Having double checked everything, the final step is to click Save. This crucial action will ensure that all of your changes are officially recorded and your new payment method is set for future billing. You might want to refresh the page or log out and then back in, just to confirm that the changes have taken effect. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your payment method on Mailchimp. This adjustment should now be active for future billing periods, ensuring seamless service continuation. Thanks for joining me today. If this guide was helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more quick guides like these.